Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer network. In my previous video, we were watching that the price action of Celer was moving in this falling wedge pattern. Now here the price action has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge, and at the same time it has also broken out this 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart as well. And in today's video we will analyze whether the price action will be moved up from here. It will be moved down like we had a fake out here and here as well, and same as like that. Is there any possibility that the price action is going to move down, where it will start a bullish move from here? And before this, I also shared two major ideas, the harmonic reversal ideas. One was on 10th of May, that was with the Bitcoin pair. This was on the daily time frame. The price action of Celer formed a shark pattern, the bullish harmonic shark reversal move. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the chart. And you can see that the price action at that time completed the final leg of this bullish shark. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action after that completely entered the buying zone and started a very powerful bullish reversal move that was more than 130% bullish rally. I was expecting up to 50% pump against Bitcoin, but it was more than 130% in the month of May, and then it dropped down. And the next idea I shared on 13th of July at the Patreon, when the price action completed a very big bullish reversal move on the weekly time frame chart. Actually, I'm sharing different trading ideas here, therefore I'm just going to find it for you. Here is the idea I shared on 13th of July, and let me show you this idea as well. It is still in process. The price action is still moving above the buying zone, and this was a big bullish harmonic reversal bat pattern. Before this, I shared with the US dollar pair this bullish shark, and this was different from the previous chart that we have just seen. And you can see after completing this chart, even though we had very long spike, but the price action reversed bullish. And then I shared this big bullish bat on the weekly time frame. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action, after entering the buying zone here, used this weekly simple moving average as a support. It's reverse bullish and still moving above this buying zone. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat pattern, start from 4.88 cents and goes to 8.48 cents. However, I'm expecting that once the price line will be reverse bullish from here, it can also break out the final resistance that we have at 9.5 cents, because this is a very big bullish reversal move that is just started. And you can see that we have a list of different resistance levels above the price line, and we also had a very strong support. This was our key level support at 2 cents, and then we have the next resistance at 3 cents, and you can see that the price action is just moving above this resistance. Sometimes it is moving above 3 cents, and sometimes it is moving below this 3 cent level, even though it has broken out this 3 cents resistance level here, but it is retesting at the moment this previous resistance as a support. Then we have the next resistance on the daily time frame at 4 cents. You can see this 4 cents has been breaking as a resistance here, and as a support here, as a support here, and as a very good support here as well. And after that, we have the resistance at 5 cents. It has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support here as well. And next we have the 6 cents resistance level that has been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here, and as a very strong support, and again as a resistor here as well. And then we have the next resistance at 7 cents that has been breaking as a resistance here and has been breaking as a support here as well. Then we have the next resistance at 8 cents that has been breaking as a very strong resistance previously. And then we have the final resistance at 9.5 cents. Now we have a big number of resistance levels above the price action, but don't be scared. because at the same time the price action has also broken out this falling wedge pattern that previously we were watching in my previous videos as well. And at the same time the price line, if I just switch to the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is also having a very nice bounce above this 50 simple moving average. And on the daily, even on the weekly time frame, you can see that the price action is above this resistance of the falling wedge, and on the daily time frame the price action is above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now after this breakout, it can be clearly seen that the price action is retesting the previous resistance as a support, and after having a successful retest, it can start a next reversal move from here. And once it will start a reversal move from here, then the next target can be the tail of this falling wedge that is approximately at 9 cents. And once the price line will start a bullish reversal move to hit this target, then definitely it will also cross up all these resistance levels very easily. Therefore, I am showing you this breakout right now. This is very important, but we are not having the volume that can support this breakout. You can see so far the volume is very low. We need the volume to confirm this breakout. Once there will be a strong buying volume, then this breakout can be confirmed. Even though we have the second confirmation, we have the first confirmation that the candlestick on the daily time frame chart has closing above this resistance. Now it is retesting. That is the second confirmation. Now we need the volume in order to start a big move from here to hit this sell target that is the tail of this falling wedge pattern. And at the same time, we are also having a very big bullish reversal formation on the weekly time frame chart. That is a big bullish harmonic bat move that has been formed on the weekly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.